Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the best FPS that you can possible without getting any mods and clients, obviously, because like Luna Client and all that, they get your FPS as well, so I'd advise getting them. But yeah, this is for any game. It would work with any game. You just gotta go to the specific game. But before we get into it, guys, go down there, like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. So first, guys, we have on any game you'd have this normal page. You could have a multiplayer, an online, single player, like a campaign map. But what you want to do is you want to go find the options, and this is basically just the settings in the game that will help. So I imagine there'll be loads of different settings in your own game, but if you just follow the line of basically this, you know, your game will be fine. But you wanna change the graphics so they're not like so fancy. You want them to be fast, and then render distance moderately short. If it's very high, it's gonna be hard. You want kind of a max frame rate. It won't even make a difference, but you want the highest frame rate you can get possible. I wouldn't limit it there because it could get up here, and you know, so maybe you could do here if you know it's not going to go over 200. You never know. Then you want smooth lighting off, and then you can also go into performance. You want fast math on, fast render on, those type of things. You want them on, and then chunk updates. You know, you can change it to your own thing. And here's a massive thing. If it is really laggy and you've got really low FPS, you want to change these to 480 to 1280 by 720. It makes a massive difference. You get like an extra 200 FPS from it. It does look quite bad, but you know, if you want good FPS but quite low quality, you know, go for that. But you know, you can find other ways that I'll tell you now to be able to play on the default. Okay guys, the next thing that will dramatically increase your FPS is putting in the RAM and increasing it so your game focuses on this. So what you want to do if you're on your normal Minecraft page, I think this will only work on computers, so if you got a console game, I'm sure there's loads of other things you could do to make it less laggy, but it shouldn't be laggy anyway on console. Anyway guys, so you want to go on your installations, and the one that you're playing on here, you want to find it on here, go on the three dots, click edit, and then you see all this, yeah, you want to click more options, and then you want to put this x-xmx, however many gigabytes you want. I'd advise at least at the most half of your RAM, and then G, and then do it twice. So -xmx, however many you want, G, and then do it twice, and then you click save, and then that should help. If you guys don't know how much RAM you have, you can look in your settings. I'm sure there's videos for that, but then you just put in half of that at maximum. Okay, there's another massive factor of getting a higher FPS is the task manager. Now you just right click the Windows button, click task manager, and it should run nice and smooth. And you want to go over to details, and then you want to right click the game that you want to run quite quicker, and then you click set priority. You want it to be above normal. I've got it all low because I have an immediate one. If I'm using OBS and I'm not playing on Minecraft, I've got it at low, but the main ones I set priority normally above normal, but I'm not playing on it at the moment. This makes a massive difference. I wouldn't do real time, I do high at the highest obviously, but you know, other than that, you guys should be fine. Okay guys, final thing that will help is just going on to your game settings, going onto the gaming tab, and you want to turn off the record gaming clips, screenshots and broadcasts, because that's basically just recording it the whole time, which would take up like 30, 50 FPS, which you guys don't want if it's a low end PC. And you know, again down here, game mode, you want this on. It wants to be in the game mode, because otherwise, you know, it won't be working, and you don't really want these captures or anything like that. You just want to play it normally, and that's basically just all you'll need. Privacy, again, you want to go to background apps, and then you want to turn it off. You don't want the apps to run in the background, because again guys, that will take up a bunch of energy for the computer. Okay guys, hope that helped you out. If it did, and I think it will, please go down there, like and subscribe. It'll only take you 2 seconds out of your day, and it really does help. Because as you can see, I record on OBS on Minecraft, and I get still 60 FPS on a really low end computer. Anyway guys, go down there, like and subscribe. It'll give you 10 years of good luck, and I hope you guys are all alright with the events going on in the world. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.